Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip, I'm continuing on a little series that I have with sharing files in Microsoft OneDrive. And in this tip, I would like to show you a different way to share a file. This just came out recently, within the last few months. In previous versions, when you shared a file, they could edit it, or they could just look at the file. We now have a new option for review. Let's select one of our files and click the Share button. Last week we talked about the default being anyone with a link can edit. If you select specific people, you can change the review options from just Edit and View to Review. This is great. This allows people to go in and add suggestions without actually altering the document. They can give you tips and comments and add information, but not edit the original document. Before we had all or nothing, now we have something that's kind of in the middle. Yes, I do want your feedback, but I don't want you touching anything else. So use the Can Review option when you want to share a file with somebody, get their feedback, but you don't want them actually changing it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.